Math 6, Unit 9 Major. Ratios, rates, proportions, and measurement conversion. Number 1. Golf balls come in a variety of packages. A particular brand of golf ball comes in a package of 12 golf balls and a package of 18 golf balls. The package with 12 golf balls costs $4.47, and the package with 18 golf balls costs $14.46. What is the better deal? What is the unit price of the better deal? A, 12-pack at 25 cents per golf ball. B, 12-pack at 37 cents per golf ball. C, 18-pack at 37 cents per golf ball. D, 18-pack at 8 cents per golf ball. Number 2. A plate contains the following items: carrots, 8, peas, 13, peppers, 26, green beans, 39. What is the ratio of peas to carrots? Number 3. Bars of soap come in packages of 6 and packages of 20. If the 6-bar pack costs $7.86 and the 20-bar pack costs $25, which is the better deal, and what is the price per bar of the better deal? A, 6-pack at 39 cents per bar. B, 20-pack at $1.25 per bar. C, 6-pack at $1.31 per bar. D, 6-pack at $1.25 per bar. Number 4. How many feet are in 457.2 centimeters, given that 1 inch is about 2.54 centimeters? Number 5. Find the missing value in the pair of equivalent fractions. 1 over 7 equals n over 56. A, 392, B, 8, C, 9, D, 0. Number 6. Hale compared the number of black marbles he had to the number of white marbles he had. Which statement correctly describes Hale's marbles? A, for every 1 white marble, Hale has 3 black marbles. B, for every 3 white marbles, Hale has 1 black marble. C, for every 2 white marbles, Hale has 1 black marble. D, for every 1 white marble, Hale has 2 black marbles. Number 7. The chart below shows the approximate number of kilometers for selected distances in miles. So number of miles: 6.25, 12.5, 18.75, 37.5. Number of kilometers: 10, 20, 30, 60. Which is the closest to the number of kilometers in 75 miles? A, 100, B, 120, C, 140, D, 160. Number 8. Write the ratio of balloons to airplanes 3 ways. Number 9. In Mrs. Cole's 3rd period class, there are 4 boys for every 3 girls. If there are a total of 21 students in that class, how many of them are boys? Number 10. Which type of ratio best represents the following statement? We planted 8 sunflowers and 12 tulips. A, part to part. B, whole to whole. C, part to whole. D, whole to part. Number 11. Draw a tape diagram or double number line and use it to solve the problem. Trail mix was made by combining almonds and grapes in a 4:3 ratio. If 21 ounces of grapes were used, how many ounces of almonds were used? Number 12. Many drinks come in 20-ounce bottles. What is the volume in liters? 1 ounce is about 0.03 liters. A, 0.0015. B, 0.6. C, 20.03. D, 66.67. 13. Mammoth Cave is the longest cave system in the world. So far, 365 miles of the cave have been explored. What is the distance in kilometers? 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometers. Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. A, 587.65. B, 226.71. C. 366.61. D. 363.39. Number 14. A sports store has the following number of balls: baseballs 59, softballs 10, footballs 88, soccer balls 40. The ratio of baseballs to the total number of balls in the store is 59 to 197. Which of the following best describes this ratio? A. Part to part. B. Hole to hole. C. Part to hole. D. Hole to part. Number 15. The ratio of boys to girls who participated in the pie eating contest was 7 to 2. There were 35 boys. Draw a tape diagram below to determine how many girls participated. Number 16. Complete the table to determine the cost of one donut. Donuts: 1, 2, 4, 6, 10. Price: blank, blank, $3.60, $5.40, $9.